Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. I'm in this position, usually I'll be standing or in a different position. Today, for this video, I'm in this position to show you one thing. This I see a lot, and even I used to do it a lot myself. When we're in the bedroom or when we're in bed, we like to watch TV, right? So, when you're watching TV, what's the common position you are in? Similar to where I am in now. You can have like the headboard or let's say a wall or something, and you lean on it. You use a couple pillows here on your lower back, and then you lean. Some people don't even have this, don't even put this. But in general, there are positions like this, and they'll be watching TV. And that can go on for minutes, even hours, especially if they're like binge watching Netflix or something, right? So in this position, I don't like this position because the way it affects the back. And that's the reason why I don't watch TV when I'm lying down or when I'm in bed. And I want to share with you exactly why. So as you can see in this position, my back here is it's curved this way. So it's like I'm slouching when I'm sitting up because I'm curved this way, right? So now this actually reverses the normal curve of your lower back of the lumbar spine, because normally your lower back will have a curve kind of like this. It goes in. When you're in that position I was in, or when you slouch, it's actually the reverse of that. And what happens is the muscles here on the back get stretched, and they will get weaker if you keep doing that. And the space on the spine, they will open up, so it will make you more prone to having this bulging going backwards that way. If you do that over and over again, combination of those things that happens will make you more prone to having lower back pains. And one of the things that we shared in a previous video is when you slouch, you're going to be more prone to having back problems. So sitting like that when you're watching TV is not any different. It doesn't help, right? So that's the reason why I don't like watching TV when I'm in bed or when I'm lying down. Aside from that, I have other reasons why I don't like watching TV, which I'll share in some future videos. But for in terms of the back, that's the main reason why. All right? So I hope you learned something from this video. I would love to hear from you. Feel free to post your comments below and share this with people share this with your family and friends. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you on the next video of how to end chronic pain. Stay safe and stay pain free. Bye.